my name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to turn an image into a circle shape in InDesign. So here I've got my image, and I just want to make it so that it is in the shape of a circle. So if you don't have your Pathfinder window open, just go to Window, Object and Layout, and select Pathfinder. And this little window right here should open. And literally all you have to do is go to this shape, which is the ellipse tool, click that, and already there your image goes into a circle. And you can also try other shapes, but this is how you turn it into a circle. My name is Alex, and this is how you turn your image into a circle shape. Thank you.